Hey, we're gonna start a fun little adventure here. Can I turn the camera around? Hey, I can. Nice. So we are heading out. Why is it turning on me? I don't want to turn on me. That's not what I want. Got the truck. Truck is warming up. Got the dog too in here. Dog is going with me. And what's in the tailgate with the bed? We have racks. It's 8 p.m., 12-hour drive ahead. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, first stop. We've driven 4.5 hours straight without stopping, and the dog has to pee. For the record, if the dog didn't have to pee, I would keep going, but the dog has to pee. Hello, everyone. We're in Troy, New York, and we are about 5 miles from MaxBMW. But good morning. It took me longer to get here because I had to sleep for 3 hours. I didn't sleep yesterday. I woke up at 8 a.m., went to work, got off at 4:30, tried to go to sleep, couldn't do it. And so I left at 9 p.m. and had to stop for 3 hours in PA to sleep. But I'm good now, and we're almost to the destination. Just off my first tank of gas, this truck got me 820 miles in range from Charlotte to Troy. So first tank of gas, and we are here, which is awesome. All right, guys, let's get there. We're here. Oh man, what a ride, huh? Porter's in here, by the way. He had a rough night. Hi, Porter. Rough night. He travels well, but after like 12 hours, he starts to get a little bit annoyed with me. So we're here. Let's go see what we're picking up today. There it is. Beautiful. That blue pops. Like it's a really nice blue.
Yeah, I like it when it was a black on the tank. It's really
yeah.
great.
So the plans actually, I'm gonna like I did my red bike. I'm gonna do the crash bars in black.
Yep.
Get those powder coated.
Yeah. And
then the luggage grid, the plastic luggage grid is going to be black as well.
Yeah, I like
so I have
that.
a shop that has ABS painting.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Well, more when we get home, but here she is. The 1250 GSA Rally 2024. Very exciting. Just gonna load her up in the Ram diesel. Just gonna give you a quick walk around. In case I drop it on its side and it gets dirty from here, this is the last video you're gonna see of it, clean. Beautiful. Maybe I'll get this guy to hold the video camera for me. Got the old blue back there. Looking good in the thing. Oh, and Bromley. It looks like Bromley is actually, they're still open. There's skiers over there. Can't really see it. We'll pass by in a second. So, March 16th, ski report featuring Adam Chandler. We're home. That's our home up there. I was in the area. Figured I'd come by the house and let Porter jump in the lake while I eat some grocery store sushi. You can see the bike though. Bike's up there in its rightful place. Every one of my GS's has been at this house, so might as well bring this one here too. Porter's happy to be here though. He's stoked. But he's the blue up front though. Up close. I'm not really a big fan of that fridge. Was it dented or was it just cheap?
No, it's cheap.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It was super cheap. It's gonna...
I like the wall color. Nice job on the wall color, Heather.
Thank you. I still like that.
All right. Well, 8:15 p.m. Took a 4-hour nap. Went to the lake with Porter. And now we're back in the truck. 14-hour drive south. And I'll be home tomorrow morning. Get in the car. Come on. Come on, let's get in the car. He doesn't know he's about to be riding 15 hours. Hey, there you are, come on. Up. Okay. Wrecking ball. You good?